And now here we go. You see that right there, guys? See how dim that light is? Okay, so that indicates a drop in voltage. So this is definitely part of the problem. And actually, I can hear things clicking around right now. Oh shit. And that just shorted out. Wow, that's clicking around right now. Oh shit. And that just shorted out. Wow, that actually just shorted out right in front of us. So I think that further confirms exactly what the problem is right there. The socket behind that fuse is loose. Wow. Well, you guys just got to see it live. But now we're gonna go back and double check the voltage, and we're gonna see it even better now, okay? Wow, that's actually pretty cool. It's not cool that it failed. See, now the top's not nearly as bright. Wow, okay, yeah. And for you guys who don't know, that fuse that I'm getting the trouble with is the engine ECM power, okay? And the problem is my ECM's not getting power, that's why the truck's not starting. So there's a problem right there on that circuit, and we've identified where the problem is. Really where you get to see it. Same fuses, same area. There we go, 12 volts on one side, 12 volts on the other side, okay? 12 volts on one side, 12 volts on the other side. If you guys see, it's showing 6 volts and it's flickering, it's unstable voltage. All right, guys, and this is exactly why my ECM is not working, because the power is not getting through at the ECM power circuit. If I go ahead and check the bottom one, same thing, the voltage is flickering. This is the fault right here, guys, and the meter confirmed it. And as you can see right next to it, I'm getting 12 volts on both ends. That shows that the power is passing through. Right here, this is the problem, guys. And I was able to figure this out myself in just a couple hours, and I didn't have to pay a shop to do it. So this is a good starting point for you guys, because this pretty much will allow you to isolate where the problem is. So good old multimeter, a test light, and just understanding how this works, guys, will save you a lot of money. So I'm gonna go ahead and diagnose a little bit further, but I'm pretty much 100% sure that this is the fault right here. And I hope this was helpful, guys. Any questions, let me know.